Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an amazing project which is SockCoin. Life is better with SockCoin. SockCoin is a fun world community experience on blockchain, AI and Web3. SockCoin connect holder creators and communities around the world through a playful utility-driven meme coin experience. Our mission is to grow a strong, transparent and engaged Sock army that drives real Web3 adoption. First, we have their tokenomic details. Here you can see the liquidity pool 0%, marketing and buyback 0%, liquidity and burn fees 1% per transaction, and their holder redistribution is 0%. Next, we have their amazing roadmap. 2nd January 2024 Stage 1 creation. SockCoin V1 is created and deployed. 23rd January 2024 Stage 2 KYC delivered. KYC and certificate of compliance delivered by Solid Proof. 5th April 2024 Stage 3 audit delivered. Solid Proof say the contract doesn't contain issues of high or medium criticality. 5th September 2024 SockCoin invasion on Twitter. SockCoin goes to conquer Twitter to create the Sock Army Bank. October 14, 2025 SockCoin V2 is launched. SockCoin V2 is launched to better meet listing requirement. October 21st, 2025 audit and KYC for V2. SockCoin V2 smart contract audited and team gold KYC verified by Solid Proof and TrustNet. October 30, 2025 upcoming by Bitmart listing. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcement. Bitmart is happy to announce that SockCoin will be listed soon. Here you can check it out, their amazing roadmap. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Their token pre-sale is coming soon. Here you can check it out, the token name, token decimal, token contract address, token base and their total supply and further more details. This is an outstanding platform. Here you can see the pre-sale. Their pre-sale start in 2 days, 16 hours, 53 minutes and some seconds. Even if you miss the pre-sale on Pink Sale, come trade the world community meme of the Sock Army and join its first adventure on a CEX. Airdrop, competition trading, reward and bonus for the first trader on Bitmart exchange. Follow the timer. You can also contact them right here. If you have any kind of problems, you will contact them through their email. This is available on Pink Sale, Solid Proof, Dextool and further more exchanges. You can also get in touch right here. Simply join their social platform like the Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Facebook page and further more. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update and you can also follow them on their Twitter account for further more update. This is an outstanding platform. I hope you like the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing projects, so do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.